You want to do me a favor and open up my gift?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. Let's see what we got.
I know you.
What did I get?
A tablet.
A tablet?
Yeah.
Holy tablet. That's a big box for a tablet.
I need a computer.
It's a computer.
A big one.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
We needed that. Now we can make more YouTube videos. Great. More YouTube videos for us.
Yay.
We gotta unbox the computer.
Yay.
Well,
Careful.
Wait for Dad.
Okay.
Whatever. See what we got in here. So hopefully it ain't broken because the box is a little folded. Oh, you got a slice right down the center, Jack. Watch out. Your dinosaur's over there. He's probably lonely.
He moved his head. Is it cool? Let me try to open it.
Settle down, bro.
Got it. That was a cool move, wasn't it?
See what it looks like.
Did you see that?
Careful.
Open it. Careful.
I have to take this off.
Holy guacamole.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, isn't it? We're gonna have to need this.
See what else we got in here. Charger.
Yeah. We need this for the computer. This is for the computer. Let's see what else.
Oh, we got the charger. We gotta charge it up. Turn it on.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTubers. Got a new computer around the Picker compound. We got the HP Pavilion notebook. What? 17-inch full HD screen. Windows 10. DVD rewriter. Powering it on for the first friggin' time. Got a little glare from the light. I'll move that out of the way so we can see what's going on. She better work. Expensive ass computer. Sell them up at Walmart. Walmart and Alpena is where I got this beast. Show you the box. Show you what it's got. Last time somebody freaked out because I didn't show them the specs. There it is. That's what the computer's got in her. First time loading it. Needed a new computer. Was working with the Acer. Got a Dell plugged into this TV. Got a collection of laptops over there, HPs. Got another Acer. The HP is my favorite. HP is my favorites. Minute in, we're still loading, folks. What? It's got a nice design to it. It's pretty cool. Oh, we're ready. Log me in as Picker and hurry it up. We got videos to upload. Oh yeah. Just a moment screen. Loading. Takes a minute. Shit, she's booting up big time, folks. Loading up that Windows 10. Hopefully it's got a good movie maker in there, because that's what we need. My last computer quit uploading the freaking memory card for some reason. To figure that out, I'm gonna turn the camera off till this thing uploads. It's shit. It's gonna take a moment, as you can tell. Oh, we finally got a different screen coming up.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Cortana?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Holy shit, it's talking to
Your
me.
region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes. Yes, damn it.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also
Fine.
type with another keyboard layout?
Nope. Holy shit, man.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That
Alright,
way you can
skip
get
this part,
updates,
folks.
apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Oh, we're logging in.
Mission accomplished. You're all
Accomplished.
linked up.
We're ready to go to YouTube. YouTube, you son of a bitch. Oh, shit.
Now we have some important setup to do.
You gotta set this beast up. Takes forever. Look, you can tell.
Things up. Please don't turn off your device. Your computer will restart before you continue.
God. No.
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
We're getting somewhere. Oh, we gotta accept an
Next
agreement.
up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows.
The
You
legal
can
shit.
decline, but then, no Windows.
Then, no Windows. That's bullshit. I just accepted that they can hack into my info anytime they want. The usual. You have no privacy.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in.
I'd
I'll catch
rather
up with you
not.
once that's done.
It's bullshit.
You're about to set up an offline account, but I wanted to make sure you know, Windows works way better with a Microsoft account. Do you want to do that instead?
Not right this second. No.
Type what you
Oh shit, we got a cap. Who's gonna use the PC? John Pick a fool. John Picka. John Picka.
Okay, now type a password
Oh.
for your account.
Gotta cut you guys off, see? Passwords and everything else.
Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Oh, we need a personal assistant. Yes! Oh, Katana,
These
we
are the
need
settings
you.
Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready.
Oh, accept. I just
Your device
accept everything.
manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
I already know, fool. This is getting
These are the settings
bullshit.
Microsoft recommends. Go. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you up.
Too much setup.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours.
Take me to
Looking
YouTube.
forward to helping out.
John Picker, now. Oh Lord, it's saying hi to me. Everything's getting ready for me. It's so crystal clear, we can't even pick up the words. Several minutes. Alright, we're cutting off. We'll be back in a second. Alright guys, we finally made it through setup. It's Christmas Day, as you can tell. Christmas Day, we'll go to YouTube, check YouTube out. Look at that, pops right up. YouTube Bing search. Pretty quick. John Picker? You like John Picker? Oh, John Picker. Exit out of that. Oh, look at the background. Over here. Not right now. I'll do that later. Holy shit, man. Up here, type my name in. John Picker. Oh, let's check the videos out, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a minute. Ooh, the friggin' volume's off. Can't stay and listen to my own voice. Holy shit, man. 8,409 subscribers on the Picker Show, ladies and gentlemen. We needed a new computer. Check the videos out. New Nike shoes. I usually like DC shoes. Crazy neighbor. Yeah, she's pretty crazy, alright. Taking pictures of my house. She turns them into the city. What? Crazy ass. Crazy ass old lady. Travis Pastrana autograph cards. Yeah, they went up in value. They're so expensive now I can't even buy them. They're going for like $50 a card. Cards that I was getting for $20, they now want $220 for them. That's freaking crazy. Skylanders. Whom the bell tolls. Pulled some guy out of the rocks down at the freaking river. Oh, he was stuck, boys. He was friggin' stuck. Pennywise. He'll float too. He's a dancing clown. I'd have to say my favoriteest video is the block video. I love that one. Rally America, that's coming up. American Rally Association just joined with Rally America, so it's going to be twice as good this year. I'm hoping. We're hoping Pastrana comes back with Subaru and races in the snow. They're all scared of the snow, boys. They can't drive on the ice. Major League Fishing Dicks. What? Fishing Dicks. Kevin Van Dickhead. What? What else we got? Oh, the 13.5 throwing an engine in a car. That's freaking awesome. Look at the spider action. Teddy Ruxpins. What else we got? A little bit of everything. Everybody's always asking, where's the scrapping videos? We've got like 500 scrapping videos. Can't watch scrapping videos every day. Holy shit, man. Look at all the Skylanders. Still got all them friggin' things. Who knows what I'm gonna do with them? Bunch of friggin' Skylanders. Sarah Palin. Take her out to dinner, the nailer. Like Eminem said. It's what Eminem said. I didn't write them lines. Some goofball lit a firecracker off in his hand. Holy shit, man. Tried to get him to hold it in his teeth. He wouldn't do it. Bucky friggin' Lassick. He's one of the best skateboarders ever. Call of Duty video friggin' went viral. Holy shit. 86,000 views. That's nuts. Friggin' nuts, boys. We're back 3 years ago. Back when shit was good. Back when I made some good videos. Holy shit, man. 24 hours of scrapping. Look at how many friggin' views I got. Thousands. Holy shit. Oh, look at all the friggin' views we got on the 24 hours of smashing TVs. Friggin' camera died. Had to grab the charger. Thousands of views on that. That was a great idea. Smash 24 TVs in 24 hours. What? Garbage picking king. So many friggin' garbage picking videos up. It's unbelievable. Sick of garbage picking. Holy shit, man. I want to be drinking champagne and shit, not picking in the garbage. What? Look at the moon. Full moon. Undertaker lost. Got his ass kicked 4 years ago at WrestleMania. What? Shaq soda. That stuff sucked. Shaq soda sucked. We're almost back to... Oh, there's the old computer I had. Didn't even get to use the friggin' thing. What? Scrap some SpaghettiO cans. I was desperate. I was friggin' desperate, folks. Snowmobile races, froze my ass off that day 4 years ago. That's when I got my first Pastrana cards, Ken Block shoes, blah blah blah. Got Ken Block on camera. He probably wasn't expecting me to whip the camera in his face. Had to authenticate my shoes, ladies and gentlemen. Shit, she's taking forever to load. Must be Charter's Wi-Fi. That's got to be the problem. It's always the problem. Snoop Doggy Dogg. John the Picker was rapper. Yep, done did everything. Rapping, scrapping, did a little crapping. You know. Shot a TV with a crossbow. Pretty cool. Holy shit, we got more videos than I thought. Friggin' mud bogs and demo derbies and shit. Josh Grayson. Girls were throwing their panties on stage when Josh Grayson come to town. It's unbelievable. You guys should have kept your panties on. You went home with an extra duffel bag because of you guys. It's ridiculous. What? Macho Man Randy Savage. Met him a couple times. Rubber ducky races. Dumpster diving. Old lady in her stove with the first stove with electricity. Well, we're gonna have to watch that. She's like, oh, it's a nice stove. It's only 100 years old. My first garbage picking videos were 9 seconds long. That was a rip-off. Let's check this out. 50 seconds. The old lady with the stove. Come on. One dislike. Serial hater. Disliked every friggin' video, you son of a bitch. That's funny. Look at the stove. Vintage. Even got some tin foil covering the friggin' counter right there.
That's a vintage stove there, Nelda. You don't see too many of them nowadays.
So it's got a thing here for the microwave, and it's everything on it.
Even got a friggin' built-in plug. That's
in too many houses nowadays. They
that's
got all
friggin'
them new ones. They got all them
fancy.
dancy. They'll
shit.
tell you the time and everything right on it.
Yeah. I love this stove.
Hey, it looks like it's in good shape anyway.
All the burners still work, don't they?
It's a vintage.
You're brand new.
Brand new. I'll come get this later.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're liking the new HP Pavilion computer. She's got a crystal clear screen. I'm hoping it's got a movie maker on it so I can make my movies for YouTube. Because that's what I got it for, because my last one, the friggin' memory card reader quit working, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, HP Pavilion notebook. Let's load this beast up with some videos. I already got four laptops loaded with videos. Just in case, we got to keep all the videos on the memory drive in case somebody gets my account closed. We can just re-upload them. Oh yeah, I'm John the Picker, YouTube TV. Check out my channel.